Hey everyone, in this video I will help you to solve auto screen off problem on Windows. Note, this video will work even if your settings are not working properly. So to solve this problem, enter the two code in the command prompt which is provided in the description. You can find command prompt by searching CMD in the search bar. Make sure to choose Run as Administrator. Paste the code that is given in the description. Enter the first code. Now enter the second code. With this, you have solved your auto screen off problem. Thanks for watching the video.